Okay guys, I put a new clutch cable on the Honda. Now I'm going to show you how I adjust this. First, what I'm going to do, first you go up here to the handlebar. You guys know how to loosen that little knurl nut. If not, I'll show you in a sec. But you loosen that up there. As you can see, the tension's off the springs inside the clutch, because this is a mechanical clutch. Now what I do, these are 12mm by the way. What I do is I pull up on this. I pull up on the cable. I bring that lock nut down. Man, I wish I wouldn't have cut my damn finger last night. Bring that one, and you tighten those up. There. Now we'll go up to the handlebar. Okay, now, see that's too tight, so what we're going to do, we're going to bring this in a little bit. It's a little bit too much play.
Mommy will be up in 2 minutes.
Let's try that out. And that's how you adjust the clutch on your Honda Rebel.